So the next plant will come right here.
This overlapping design is known as clinker. It actually needs less waterproofing than fitted planks, making the boat lighter and faster. Most think of oak as strong, but it's also flexible.
Whoa!
It's pretty good.
That's amazing, eh? I weigh 100 kilos.
You get these amazingly strong planks, and you get the flexibility too.
It all helps to mold the ship into the classic Viking shape and makes the boat sturdy and flexible enough to withstand powerful wind and waves. And Martin wants to show Dan how it works.
So if you sort of move it, you can see.
Whoa!
See, you move. You can tell
amazing.
How the whole thing is.
The whole thing's just twisting like this. You can just see the ripples going down the hull there.
These amazing longships are the engine of the Viking era. Their power helps create the myth of the Vikings as invincible maritime warriors. On board their longships, the Vikings travel far and wide in search of wealth. And soon, the Vikings are starting to wreak havoc up and down the coast of the unsuspecting British Isles. For centuries, most of Britain has been part of the Roman Empire. After the Roman withdrawal, England is settled by Germanic cousins of the Vikings, the Angles and the Saxons. Eventually, these pagan tribes convert to Christianity, and by 600 AD, much of Britain is Christian. The Anglo-Saxon monks keep chronicles of this period, in which they describe the Vikings as vicious smash-and-grab raiders. Dan has come to Port Mahomack in Scotland. In the 800s, this was a religious community of the Pictish people, the native inhabitants of Scotland. Here, Dan meets Martin Carver on the site of the Christian monastery. There was a church on the hill, and the monastery building right next to it.
It's quite a substantial settlement, this.
It's very substantial. They're very busy.